Cooking verbs. There is no need to say who is the cook today.
What else?
Thank my wonderful wife for preparing such a square meal.
You're welcome. Dad and I are so lucky to be your family, aren't we?
That's right.
So delicious, Mom. I wish I could be good at cooking like you.
Practice makes perfect, honey.
Anyway, I have hands down family favorite recipe pork barbecue. So do you want me to cook it tomorrow?
Oh, it makes my mouth water just by hearing about it.
Tomorrow is Sunday. Why don't we throw a small party?
Good idea.
Yeah, I have the guest's name in my mind. Sweetie, I'm just wondering if it is possible for you to invite your friend, Jason, to come over and enjoy barbecue dinner with us. Oh, Mom, I don't think he can come because your cheeks are flushing red?
Well, I've heard a lot about him. Sweetie, tell him to come and join us tomorrow.
Oh, I just want to have someone else with an objective perspective to check my cooking skill. And simply, it's the first name to come up in my mind. You are both trying to drive me into a corner.
Yay or nay?
Yay.
Honey, the pork ribs that you need is out of stock here. Can you use something else instead?
No, it must be that kind of pork. I know a store that certainly has it. Honey, can you follow my instruction?
Okay, I'm listening.
You can go along 6th Avenue until you find the first movie theater. Turn left at the intersection and continue down West Street. Make a right turn when you see the Chili Cafe. Head to August Theater and you'll see it on the right.
Okay, clear enough. Now I'm off to the meat superstore. Wow. That now I know there's a lot of pork cuts. Could you please tell me where's pork rib section?
Yes, sir. It's right on your left-hand side.
Oh, that's right. Thank you. Such a variety of choices. Which one? This one or that one? The one over there also looks okay, but this one seems better. Oh my god, Stephanie, help me please. May God bless me. She'll like this one I choose.
Thank you, honey, for buying the kind of pork I want.
I'm so helpful, right?
Yes, of course, honey. Sweetie, come here and give me a hand. Let's see what we got here. Pork ribs, barbecue sauce, garlic, olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, cayenne pepper, and salt. That's quite enough for my recipe. Let's rock and roll.
What about my job, honey?
Dear husband, can you help me clean and pat pork ribs dry with a sheet of paper towel?
Yes, chef.
And please help me preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, honey. Sweetie, give me your hand. I need you to help me peel off the tough membrane that covers the bony side of the ribs. Place on a baking sheet. For the sauce to put on the pork ribs, you can combine together garlic powder, salt, pepper, and cayenne. Sprinkle seasoning over ribs and drizzle with oil. Rub the seasoning all over the ribs on both sides. Cover tray with foil and bake for 2 hours. Okay? Yes, I'm still following. You have 5 minutes to mix together sauce ingredients. Now I have to remove ribs from the oven, remove foil, and spread the tops of the ribs with the barbecue sauce mixture. That's right? Good, dear. Then you can increase the oven temperature to 240 degrees Celsius. Return ribs to the oven uncovered and bake for a further 10 minutes. You should remember to change oven settings to broil on medium-high heat to lightly char and caramelize the edges. For how long, Mom? About 3 minutes. For the final step, we should rest for 10 minutes to allow the juices to recirculate back into the meat before slicing. I'll help you take on making sauce. Great. Tell me how you're going to do it. Well, I think I will combine together 2 cups of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 tablespoons cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. That's what I learned from observing you. You're such a quick study. However, I suggest you put 2 more tablespoons of garlic powder, which makes your sauce more flavored. Yeah, for sure, Mom.
So what should we do next?
You can slice the pork ribs, then we get dressed up and wait for our beloved guests.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, Jason. Please come on in.
Oh, hi. Thank you for coming. Come over here, Jason, and have a seat. Make yourself at home.
Anna's mother sends her love along with this meal.
Don't tell me you are a vegetarian or you're in your vegetarianism, aren't you?
Oh, no, I'm not.
That's great. My mom is a good joker. So, what are you waiting for? Take a seat, please. I bet you would like to sit right here next to your friend. It'd be much more comfortable for you.
Well, see a guy who wants to join standing right there.
Dad, of course, sitting next to Mom as usual. Hope you guys are hungry.
Yes.
Perfect. Well, I expect the flavor that you can taste from the tip of your tongue to the back of your throat.
Wow, that looks way too special. Who's doing this shot?
I'm in. Cheers!
I've always got this craving for this meal.
Come on, let yourself get some ribs. Then tell me how it tastes.
Well, a little sweet, a little hot, a little acidic. Wow, it totally gives me just a little kick in my back.
You seem to be a full flavor judge.
But it's true. This pork rib is really good to me. So tender, so flavored.
Your sauce complements your protein so well. Anna made this sauce.
Wow, Anna, you say you don't know how to cook. Yet it comes as no surprise, like father, like son.
Thank you, Jason. Well, cooking for me is the lifeblood of my family.
Your ribs are spot on.
Thank you. Another shot, boy.
Yes, thank you for inviting me today.
Cheers!